a tasty dessert that isn't complicated, but it requires two things: arm strength and time. It's my maple pudding with bourbon whipped cream. This recipe has ingredients that I'm sure you have on hand: 2 cups of milk, 1 cup of cream, maple syrup, the real stuff. It's gonna be 1 cup and 1/3 maple syrup. I don't remember why, but I really did develop this also with a food producer, so I'm sure the proportions are right. And that's vanilla. Let's put the flame on, but not too hot, because, you know, it's pudding. It's pudding. So we've got milk, maple syrup, cream, vanilla. Let's put an egg yolk, 2 actually, onto the side. That'll come later. And here's where the arm strength comes in. You just gotta whisk. We're gonna whisk that all together. Good stir and heat. Don't, just till it starts to bubble. In a small bowl, you wanna combine the sugar and cornstarch. So just kind of beat it with a fork. About a tablespoon of sugar and 3/4 teaspoon of cornstarch. Although I'll be honest, I added a little more cornstarch to this. Then I'm gonna whisk or fork those 2 egg yolks. And I'm stirring, still stirring that all together. I'm gonna whisk the, before you put the egg yolks in there though, there's a very important step. It's called tempering. So I'm just putting about a 1/2 cup of the hot milk and mix that up with the eggs first. Then we'll add the egg mixture to the whole milk mixture. Stir. See, my right arm should be really in shape after this. Turn off the heat for the next step. Butter. Not that much butter, just a couple tablespoons. You want the consistency to kind of be like pancake batter. The original recipe, I used vanilla bean. I don't know why it was so fancy. You can just use regular vanilla, like a couple teaspoons. Now I'm gonna pour it into a bowl, pretty ceramic bowl, and cool it at room temperature. This is part of where the time comes in. Now put some plastic wrap on top so it doesn't get a skin, because you know you don't want a funky skin. You gotta cool it down before you can put it into the refrigerator. So you gotta be patient. What am I gonna do while I wait for my pudding to set? Let's see, maybe I'll go hang out with my chickens. Well, I do need to clean their coop. I don't know if I'm in the mood for that. Oh, yay, it's the morning. Okay, let's check it out. Did it set? Please let it set. Please let it set. Yes. Yay. Fantastic. Okay, now for step 2, the bourbon whipped cream. So again, if you're having company over, you're probably gonna do this the night before. One less thing to worry about. The sugar, a tablespoon of, so you got cream, sugar, and then about a tablespoon of bourbon, and whip that baby up. The combo of the maple and the bourbon is such a great fall, winter dessert. My daughter loves this. She says it's a banger. It's great because the maple is so mapley, so that the bourbon whipped cream is a nice counterpoint and kind of cuts it a little bit. But you really feel, the people in your life are going to really feel like you've treated them when you give them this. Hey, Vivian, you want some maple pudding?